turn on app sound. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on app sound easy and quick. First thing, you can go to your Pinterest and click on your profile, click on those 3 points and click on settings, and here guys you will find account management. So here guys you will find app sound. To turn on app sound from the Pinterest application, you can tap on it. Now you did turned on app sound easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.